Good morning and happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thursday. It is Thanksgiving Day, and I just wanted to show you what I'm cooking for Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's a one-pot meal. Nothing. Yeah, I'm not cooking today. I am not cooking Thanksgiving dinner. I thought about doing it and decided, yeah, no. We're going to go to the buffet here at the casino. Yeah, I didn't want to cook, didn't feel like cooking. I was gonna do a really frugal Thanksgiving meal, but I'm gonna do the opposite today. I'm gonna go buy a buffet, which is really high priced, but sometimes, you know, you gotta take the week off or the day off. So actually I've taken a few days off from cooking and have enjoyed it. Of course, I love to cook, but today we're going to go to the buffet, and I will show you part of that, probably not all of it because it's probably going to be really crowded, but we'll probably show you at least my plate if it's not overflowing. I'm not real hungry this morning. I've talked about this before. I munched on some of this beef jerky. I've had several pieces of this, but anyway, I don't want to overeat either. We're going to go really early, like 10:30. I think it opens, the buffet opens at 10. So we're going to go at 10:30. And that way we're not overstuffed like at dinner time. So I'm looking forward to it. Just going to bring y'all along for the day. And hopefully I can get this video uploaded today on Thanksgiving. And wishing each and every one of you happy Thanksgiving, and I'm glad you're here on this journey with me. I'm thankful for this community. I love YouTube. I love the people I've met through YouTube, and I'm thankful for each one of y'all. So let's go eat. Well, there's my Thanksgiving dinner. No turkey, no ham, prime rib, shrimp. I think the only traditional Thanksgiving is a little bit of green bean casserole. I love a buffet. Oh, that's a lot of food. Yams, ham. I ate some shrimp. Prime rib, shrimp. Look at the desserts. Dessert. Ooh. I had a lot of food, a lot of dessert. Well, I didn't eat too much. I'm proud about that. Maybe my plate looked like I did, but I had a real thin piece of prime rib, cooked to perfection. It was cooked really good. And a handful of shrimp. Okay, 2 handfuls of shrimp. And some of that asparagus. That looked really good. And 1 bite of the green bean casserole. That was about it. And a little slice of cherry pie and a little bit of cherry cobbler. I'm not much of a sweet eater, so I wanted to taste something, clear my palate. So I did go actually look for something sweet and landed on cherry pie. So I just wanted to say again, happy Thanksgiving. And I am going to cook today. I'm cooking Sammy some food. Yeah.